For music lovers who have an ear for Southern blues, LGB is an artist who provides her audience with a unique performance because only LGB uses her extraordinary and imaginary writing capabilities as a songwriter and performer. LGB lives in Warner Robins, Georgia, but was born and raised in Allendale, South Carolina. She is known among her peers as the lady with the raspy, soulful voice, singing the blues with a rhythm and blues crossover. LGB has created her very own distinctive style of music. As a new songwriter, singer, producer, and arranger, LGB articulates and delivers each of her stories through her songs and in her own special, unique way. LGB was nominated for Best Southern Artist Female, 4th Annual 2010 Daddy Be Nice Southern Soul Awards, and Best Female Vocalist and Best Out of the Left Field Song. LGB is an artist and entertainer who have participated in many national and local events, such as the Perry Music Festival, which has proved to be an overwhelming success, bringing in visitors from surrounding states, giving Perry, Georgia, the highest praise for extraordinary turnout and events. People come from near and far to support Perry's historical music festival. LGB's image and reputation consists of giving extraordinary performances, attracting audiences, performing for interesting charity events, and selling CDs.